In this video, we will see how to fix error code 607. The timer resolution was not previously set by the current process. Error timer resolution not set on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then first go to the problematic app which having error you are facing, programs and apps. Simply right click on it and choose properties. And here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility option and run compatibility troubleshoot. And make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Means run as administrator mode in your app and programs. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, look for any device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against each, means faulty device driver. In my case, no any such driver found. For example, if you found any yellow color exclamation mark, simply right click on it, choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty device drivers. You may update drivers one by one, all your device driver, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any operating system update available, Windows latest update, simply download and install it. Thereafter, go to down and choose advanced options, and here choose optional updates, and if any optional update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated driver or outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear, so you must updated your driver as well as operating system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system, and here scroll down and choose programs and features, and here look for your problematic app and programs which having you receive error. Simply select it and choose uninstall, and reinstall a fresh version of that apps and programs from Microsoft Store or any Google. That's all.